Now we will solve some challenging questions for this modulus function for A2 levels. Let's say the question number 1 is x plus 1 whole modulus divided by x minus 1 is less than 1. We know one thing from this, that a over b whole modulus is equal to a modulus over b modulus. So this will become x plus 1 modulus over x minus 1 modulus is less than 1. Since x minus 1 whole modulus is there, so if the values are negative, even then it will become positive. And positive will remain positive. So you can directly cross multiply. So it will become x plus 1 modulus is less than 1 into x minus 1 modulus. Or x plus 1 modulus is less than x minus 1 modulus. Now we open it with the method x plus 1 whole square root is less than x minus 1 whole square and then square root. This will become, by squaring on both sides, x plus 1 whole square is less than x minus 1 whole square. Now you open it, it will be x square plus 2x plus 1 is less than x square minus 2x plus 1. So this x square and x square, they are going to cancel. 4x is less than 0 or x is less than 0 is the answer of this solution. Now we can verify that. Let's say less than 0 is any value which is minus 1. So let x equal to minus 1. Then we put in this function minus 1 plus 1 divided by minus 1 whole modulus is equal to, this is 0. So 0 over minus 2 modulus, which is equal to 0 upon 2, which is equal to 0. And the right hand side of this one is less than 1. So x minus 1 over x, this is less than 1. So this value is 0 there. 0 is less than 1. So that is 2 there. So x is less than 0 is the solution of this problem there. For this second question, we can write it like this part, that x modulus plus 1 over x modulus minus 1 is less than 1. Since it is the modulus, but outside the modulus there is minus 1, so it cannot be equal to value of x in the denominator equal to 1. So when it is not possible for the cross multiplication, then you always use the squaring of that. So this thing will become x square plus 1 over x square minus 1 is less than 1. Now by taking the square of this denominator on both sides, so x square plus 1 over x square minus 1 multiplied by this squaring, so x square minus 1 whole square on this side and also on this side. So this will cancel by this power. So it is x square root plus 1 into x square root minus 1 is less than x square root minus 1 whole square. Now it is a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. By applying this property, so we can write this thing as x square minus 1 is less than x square whole square. So it should be equal to x square minus 2x square root plus 1. Now, for this, there are two options for this x square root, which is plus minus x. So option A is there when it is x square minus 1 is less than x square minus 2x plus 1 is the positive value we have taken there. Now, if we solve this, x square and x square, they are going to cancel. So 2x is less than 2, or this implies that x is less than 1. If we use the second option for this part, that x square minus 1 is less than x square minus 2, and this square root of x is minus x. So we take it as minus x plus 1. So it will become x square minus 1 is less than x square plus 2x plus 1. X square and x square, they are going to cancel. So minus 2x is less than 2 there, or x is less than become greater than 2 over minus 2, or x is greater than minus 1. So one answer is there for this portion. So total answer is for this whole part, that x is less than 1 or x is greater than minus 1. So this is the challenging questions for this modulus function. Let's say this is the question given to you. Since in the denominator there is x minus 1 modulus, so because negative values will become positive, so you can directly cross multiply. So it will become x plus 2 is less than 2 into x minus 1. Now we can use the previous method as it is. So x plus 2 is less than 2 into x minus 1 square and then square root. Taking square on both sides, so x plus 2 whole square is less than 4 into x minus 1 whole square. Now, this will be open as x square plus 4x plus 4 is less than 4x square minus 2x plus 1. This will become x square plus 4x plus 4 is less than 4x square minus 8x plus 4. 4 and 4, they are going to cancel out. Shift it on one side. So 0 is less than 4x square minus x square will become 3x square minus 8x and minus 4x will become minus 12x, or 3x square minus 12x is greater than 0. Now 3 is common, so x square minus 4x is greater than 0, or x square minus 4x is greater than 0. Then use the critical solution. X square minus 4x is equal to 0. X is common. X minus 4 equal to 0. So if this is 0 or if this is 0, then x is equal to 4. Now we put it on the number line system. It is origin. This is plus 4. Since the coefficient of x square is positive, so shape will be minimum. And since we need only the positive values, so it is less than 0 or greater than 4. Now we will verify this answer from this question there. If x is less than 0, let's say it is minus 1. Let x is equal to minus 1. Then this will become minus 1 plus 2 divided by minus 1 whole modulus is less than 2. So 1 over minus 1 minus 2 modulus is 2. So half is less than 2, it is true. So this value is true there. Then we will check more than 4. Let's say x is equal to 5. Then it should be equal to 5 plus 2 over 5 minus 1 modulus is less than 2. 7 over 5 minus 1 is 4. Modulus is 4 there, is less than 2. So that is also true there. So this option T is also there. So your solution is x less than 0 or x greater than 4.